Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Installer's Assistant. Today we're working on the rear door of a 2022 Kia Cerato. We want to take the door card off to get access to our speaker and all the other goodies that's behind it. We are going to need a pry tool, a Phillips screwdriver and a pick tool. Okay, inside the door handle there's a little plastic cover which you're going to need to hook into with your pry tool. And then behind that is your one Phillips screw. Okay. Next step with our pry tool, we want to get off this rear sail. There are only a few clips holding it in place, so basically just giving a bit of pressure and it pops straight off. And then we remove this. So most times you can just pop this off with your hands and you're pulling straight out towards you in this direction. Once they're all free, give it a bit of a lift upwards, like such. Our controls for the handle are a single push lock system. And one plug for the window switch. Again, just held in place by a single plug. And that is how you get to it. 4 screws for your speaker, window mic, whatever else you need to access. Hope this helps.